Hello my dear children, how are you? Fine? Good. So children, today our subject is English. E for English. Children, in English we are learning small letters, small alphabet, right children? And we are learning small alphabet with phonic sound. Like A says A, B says B, right? So I hope that you all are practicing small alphabet with phonic sound, right? Yes, so children, in small letters we have already completed up to T. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S and T. So, in this video today we are going to learn small letter U and small letter V. This is capital letter U and this is small letter U. And the sound of U is A. U says A. And sometimes U says U also. The sound of U is U also and A also. So let's revise the identifiers of letter U. U for uniform, U for urn, U for unicorn, U for umpire, U for umbrella and U for uncle. See children, here U for uniform. So here the sound of U is U, uniform. And here U for uncle. U for uncle. So here the sound of U is A, right? See children, here the capital U, capital letter U, that how to write that you know, right children? So now let's learn small letter U. Children, small letter U we have to write in middle line only, that means in between of second and third line, in between of these two blue lines, right children? So children, let's learn how to write small letter U. Children, first we will trace letter U. See here, you have to write small letter in this middle line. So first you will do up cow. What you have to do? Up cow. And then from here only you have to draw small standing line. Children, your standing line should join with up cow. Don't draw far from up cow, okay? Just small up cow and here small standing line. Small letter U. U says A. Like this way, first you have to trace this line. Now let's write here. How to write? See children, here arrow. See, this arrow is going down, then from here go up, and then from here the standing line go down. So you have to follow this arrow direction. Let's write here, but where we write? We have to write in middle line, second line to third line, in between of these two blue lines. First we draw up curve, and then from here only draw small standing line. Stop. This is small letter U. U says A. Like this way you have to write these four lines. Now let's write small letter U in our English Shemto book. This is capital U and this is small u. U for umbrella. Umbrella. U says A. So first let's trace here. What we have to do? Just one up curve, then from here come down and draw standing line, small letter U. U says A. Now let's write in these four lines. Children, where we have to write? We have to write small letter U in middle line, in between of second and third line. So first we have to draw from here. See, dot is given. From here you have to draw up curve, and then from here join the up curve, come down and draw small standing line, small letter U. U says A. Like this you have to speak and write small letter U in this full page, okay? So next letter is V. This is capital letter V and this is small letter V. Then the sound of V is V. V says V. V. So now let's revise the identifier of letter V. V for vegetable, vegetables. V for village, V for vase, V for van, V for violet, V for violin, V for vacuum cleaner and V for vest. This is capital letter V, and how to write capital letter V that you know, right children? We are writing capital letters from first line to third line. So now here we will write small letter V, and how to write it? children, small letter V also we have to write in middle line only, in between of second and third line, in between of these two blue lines. So how to write it? Let's see. First let's trace here. We have to draw first right slanting line, second line to third line, like right slanting line. Then from here only go up and draw left slanting line, small letter V. Right slanting line, and from here only go up and left slanting line, small letter V. So like this way first you have to trace this line, and now let's write here. Where we have to write? We have to write small letter V in between of these two blue lines. From here we start, go down and right slanting line, and then from here only go up and left slanting line, small letter V. Understood, children? So like this way you have to write small letter V in these four lines, and speak and write. V says va. See children, this is capital letter V and this is small letter V. V says va. V for van. Va van. So now let's trace here. What we have to do? In small letter V, we just have to draw one right slanting line, and from here only go up and draw left slanting line, small letter V. Now let's write here in these four lines. Where we have to write? We have to write small letter V in this middle line, in between of second and third line. Okay? So first right slanting line, go down, then from here only go up and left slanting line, small letter V. V says va. V says va. Like this way you have to speak and write small letter V in full page. Okay children?